Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send welcome messages on WhatsApp on new gym registrations automatically. So suppose I own a gym and now what I want to do is whenever a new person is registering for my gym membership or they are doing registration for my gym, I want to send a confirmation message to them on their WhatsApp. So here to perform this task, I am using two software applications, 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 and WhatsApp. So here I am using 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 to collect new registrations, as 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 is an amazing online form builder from where you can create custom online forms. Instead of 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏, you can also use any other form builder such as Pabbly form builder, Typeform, Google form or anything like that. And to send messages I am using WhatsApp, which is a famous chat application. So here the idea is when a new registration is received in 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏, I want to send a message on WhatsApp to the customers automatically. But there is an issue. 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 and WhatsApp do not have any integration or any direct contact between them. So how I'm going to perform this task? I need to create some automation, create some link between 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 and WhatsApp so that this task can be performed. So here to build that automation, I am going to use a software called Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which is going to build integration between 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is when I'm going to receive new registration through 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏, a message will be sent to that person on their WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful? But the best part here is to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So let us understand this complete process on my screen along with a real-time example. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard of 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏. So here I've already created my account and with the help of 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏, I have built some online custom forms according to my choices. So here as you can see, these are all the forms available into my account. Now further in the video, I'm going to tell you that how you can also create forms in 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏. So this is the form of gym membership. So here it is. This is how it looks like. So the thing is, whenever a member is going to fill this form, he will be enrolled for my gym registration. Now here the idea is whenever a customer or a person is going to fill this form, when the registration is done, I want to send a message to them on their WhatsApp. So here what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you a demo, an example that how this process is actually going to work. So I'm just going to fill the details of a customer here. You can see this is the person. Okay. And then I'm going to submit this form. Here are all the details into my form and there you can see I just clicked on submit. Now as you can see, the form is submitted. We are going to check on WhatsApp if the message to same person, which is Zoya Khan, is sending or not. So here is my WhatsApp page. Perfect. Here you can see this is the message. Hi Zoya Khan, welcome to Bold Fitness Gym. We are happy that you have registered with us, and this is the complete message. So this is the gist of the process, that every time a person is going to fill this registration form of my gym, he is going to get message on WhatsApp for the confirmation. Now here you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this task that as and when a form is submitted, the message is sending on WhatsApp, that too automatically. So here let me tell you that I followed 3 very simple steps and created this automation between WhatsApp and 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏. So let me tell you what are those steps so you can also follow the same and create this amazing workflow. So guys, these are the steps which I follow to create the integration in 3 easy steps. So here the step 1 is connect 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 to Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook URL. Okay, so now here for the first step, first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect, and after that we need to connect our 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 account with Pabbly Connect. So it is going to be with the help of Webhook URL. So this Webhook URL is basically an address provided by Pabbly Connect. We have to copy it from Pabbly Connect and we need to paste it into our 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 account. And this way our 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now here in the second step, we have to collect the data from 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 in Pabbly Connect. Now as our 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏 account is connected with Pabbly Connect, the data which is going to be entered into 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗏, that same data is going to get collected here into Pabbly Connect. For example, if a person is going to fill the form for gym registration, all the details of that person are going to get captured here into Pabbly Connect automatically. Now the third step here is send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending messages on WhatsApp. Now here what we have to do in third step is the data which is collected into Pabbly Connect from jot form, we have to transfer the same data into 𝗏𝗏 so that we can start sending messages on WhatsApp. Now here you must be thinking what is 𝗏𝗏 and why are we using it? So here let me tell you that on WhatsApp it is not allowed for you to send messages directly. So that is why we are using a software 𝗏𝗏, which is an official API of WhatsApp. So with the help of 𝗏𝗏 we can connect WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect, and this way we can start sending messages on WhatsApp. So these are the 3 easy steps which I use to create this workflow. Let us see all the steps on my screen, so keep watching the video till last so that you can actually get the idea that how this process is going to work. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser, Pabbly, pabbly.com. So here you can see this is how the website of pabbly.com looks like. Here in this option named as product, we are going to click on connect. There are all the products available offered by pabbly.com, but right now we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So here after clicking on Pabbly Connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I'm going to click on sign in, as I've already created my account. You can also create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. So here I'm going to click on sign in. So here is my account. Okay, here I'm just going to log in. Okay, now as you can see, this is the window of all apps. Now to continue making the workflow, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on connect and I'm going to click on access now. So after that, you can see after clicking on connect, this dashboard will appear here. So as you can see at the top right corner, this button named as create workflow, I'm going to click at it, create workflow. Okay, so this dialog box will appear. So basically it is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give it as jot form to WhatsApp according to our topic, jot form to WhatsApp. You can also give it according to your choice. Then I'm going to click on create. Now once the workflow's name is created, now you can see this window will appear, and here you can see these 2 boxes. The first one is trigger and the second one is action. Now your obvious question will be, what are they? So here let me explain you that triggers and automation works on the concept of triggers and action. So basically trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Or in a simple way, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. According to our topic, the trigger will be form submission in jot form. When the form is submitted, the action is going to be send a message on WhatsApp. So here let's understand this practically. So here in the choose app, I'm going to choose jot form. Okay, this one. And after that, we need to choose the trigger event. And the trigger event here is new response. Okay, so now as I selected the trigger event, you can see this webhook URL is provided by Pabbly Connect along with the step guide. So let me read the instruction here. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab, go to the integration, search for the webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. Okay, now here what we have to do is we have to go to jot form dashboard. Now as this is my jot form dashboard, as I told you, I have created my account. You can also create your account and start using jot form. So here if you wish to create your form, you can create from here, and you can also customize it from this edit option. Now this is my form, which is gym membership form. Let me show you edit form, this option. Now here from this you can see you can add form elements. First let me tell you that you can also add logo of your business into your form from here. You can add form element just like I've added so many elements here. You can also add them from here. Perfect. Now my form is already ready. So I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. So for this I need to go to settings tab. Perfect. So here is the settings tab. Now at the left side, I have to click on integrations. Now at integrations, I am going to click on webhooks. Now once I clicked on webhook, I am going to click on edit integration. After clicking on edit integrations, here we have to copy this webhook URL which is provided by Pabbly Connect just now. So simply I'm going to copy it. Once it is copied, I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm going to click on complete integration. Now as you can see, after the integration is completed, my jot form account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect, and now it is waiting for the webhook response. So it is going to capture the response which we are going to make into our gym membership form. So let me again make some entries here so that we can check if the same data is collecting into Pabbly Connect or not. So here I'm just going to make an entry for let's say Alex Roy. So this is the customer, or you can say this is the member Alex Roy. This is his all the details, and here I'm just going to mention some more details. Okay, now I'm going to click on submit. Now here you can see the form is submitted. We are going to check into Pabbly Connect if the same data is captured or not. So it is waiting for the webhook response. Let me just refresh the page. Perfect. Here you can see that same data is captured here into Pabbly Connect. Perfect. So from here we can see all the details such as the name, address, email address, phone number, and everything. So this means our 𝗏𝗏𝗆𝗏 account is now connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is going to capture all the data from my gym membership form automatically. Now the second step here is we have to choose the action event. So here in the choose app, I am going to choose 𝗏𝗏𝗆. Now your obvious question is, what is 𝗏𝗏𝗆? So as I told you, 𝗏𝗏𝗆 is the official API for WhatsApp, as we are not allowed to send messages directly on WhatsApp. So with the help of 𝗏𝗏𝗆, we are going to connect WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. Now as you can see, I have selected the action event as send template message. Now I'm going to click on connect. Now here I need to connect my 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account. So for this, here we need to click on add new connection. And once I clicked on add new connection, I have to select these, I have to mention this API endpoint and access token. Now you must be thinking what are they and where we can get them. So for this, let's read the help text here. Navigate to top on your 𝗏𝗏𝗆 dashboard, click on hamburger icon, then click on API docs to find your API endpoint. Same goes for access token. So for this, we are going to connect our 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account. So here is the dashboard of 𝗏𝗏𝗆. Here I've already created my account and started using it. So here let me tell you that you can also create your 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account and start using it. So for this, here is a link present in this video, so you can watch the video and from there you can get the idea so that how you can also create your 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account and start using it. So here my 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account is already ready. Here you can see this is the overview. So from here I can manage everything. Now here I need to connect my 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account with Pabbly Connect. So for this I need to fill these two keys, API endpoint as well as access token. So here at 𝗏𝗏𝗆 dashboard, at this side on API docs, I can find both of the keys. Let me show you. Here you can see both of the keys are available. So I just need to copy them. The first one was API endpoint. That is why I'm copying it from here and I'm going to paste it here. Now here again the access token is here. I'm going to copy it and I will be pasting it here. And then after it, once I'm going to click on save, it is going to save automatically. So here now you can see my 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account is now connected with Pabbly Connect, and once it is connected, here you can see we need to map the data. These fields just appeared and now we need to map the data. Now you must be thinking what is mapping and how it is done. So let me tell you that the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect from 𝗏𝗏𝗆, the data which is here into Pabbly Connect from 𝗏𝗏𝗆, we have that same data is available here in this drop down option. So here what we need to do in mapping is we just need to click once in according to the field asked, and this way our data is going to mention here automatically. Now here the first field asked is WhatsApp number, but before mapping the WhatsApp number, let us read the instructions here, which is enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without plus sign. Okay, so basically it means in 𝗏𝗏𝗆 you are not allowed to use the plus sign along with the country code, as it does not accept it. So here what we have to do is we have to enter a 10-digit valid WhatsApp number along with the country code, but we have to exclude the plus sign along with the country code. Now here I have already did data into same format. Here you can see this is the country code without plus sign and it is the 10-digit phone number. So I'm just going to click it once and this way my phone number is mapped. Now the second thing here is, but before that let me just make you sure that this is the same phone number which is captured here. So this is how mapping basically works. Now let's proceed. So here the second step is template. Now as you can see, my 𝗏𝗏𝗆 account is connected with Pabbly Connect, so that is why all the templates available into my account are visible here. So here you must be thinking what is template, how they work, everything. So for this we need to move on to our 𝗏𝗏𝗆 dashboard. Here at broadcast option there is an option named as template messages. So basically, template messages are predefined messages which we actually create and get approved so that we can start sending them on WhatsApp. So here you can see these are all the templates which I've already created into my account. Okay, so these are already approved. Now if you wish to make new templates according to your choice, from this option named as new template message, you can create a template. You have to give the name to it, you have to choose the category from all these, okay, and you have to provide all the details, and then you need to provide the body of the template. So here what does it means is you have to provide the complete message you are planning to send. For example, if you want to send a message for order confirmation, so here you can provide the body as hello, the customer's name, your order is confirmed, and the order details as well. So for example, you can use anything else like this. So after your template body is completed, you need to click on save as draft. Once it is saved as draft, the status here is going to be shown as draft. Now you need to get it approved. So to get it approved, from this arrow option, you have to submit your template, and once it is submitted to Facebook, it actually it basically takes 30 minutes to 2 business days to get approved. It does not at all get approved immediately. So once it is submitted for approval, the status is going to be changed as pending, and once they are approved, this is how the status is going to be visible, approved. Now here the template which I am going to use is course registration. Now let me show you my template. Here the name is course registration. All the details are already provided, and now this is the body of my template. Here you can see hi, the name of customer, welcome to this is the complete message. Now here you must be thinking why I have provided these values into double curly braces. So they will be more clear to you further in the video. Let me just tell you that they are variables, and they are going to keep on changing along with every new person who is filling the form. So here let me first select the template as course registration. I can find it from here. Course registration, perfect. Now here is the second thing, broadcast name. So the broadcast name here, I'm just going to give it as Bold Fitness Gym, which is the name of my gym. Bold Fitness Gym. You can give the broadcast name according to your choice. So basically the use of broadcast here into 𝗏𝗏 is, let me show you that from broadcast history, you can check the status of all the broadcast messages. Perfect. Now here comes the last and the very most important step, custom params. So now here the thing is, you have to map the data into certain format in 𝗏𝗏 so that you can workflow will be completed. So what are custom parameters? Let me show you into my template again that custom parameters are basically these variables which we need to map there. So here you can see, let me show you. Here let me show you that into my template there are 3 variables. These are also called custom parameters. So I need to map them here into this format which is available here into the help text. So here let me see how many custom parameters are there into my template. The first one is name. The second one is company name. The third one is website URL. Okay, only 3 templates are there into my template. They can be more or less according to your template. For example, there can be anything else. For example, email address, location, date, time, anything like that. So here I have to provide 3 custom parameters. So here what I'm going to do now is I'm just copying one format here. This, okay. And I'm going to paste it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the details into these parameters. So here what I have to do is I have to provide the name of the parameter. Then I need to give the value of that parameter. This is all the example. For example, there the name of the parameter is color and the value is blue. So I'm just going to remove this, and I'm going to provide the first parameter according to my template, which is name. So I'm going to give the name of first parameter as name, and the value will be my gym member's name. So here it is Alex Roy. Perfect. Alex Roy. Now this way first parameter is ready. I have provided the name, which is name itself, and the value is Alex Roy. Now here I have mapped it. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy the same format here for the second parameter, which is company underscore name, and I'm going to provide it, map it here in place of this. Perfect. And I'm going to manually provide the company's name, which is Bold Fitness Gym. Why? Because I don't want it to change continuously. It is going to remain same for every new person, so it will remain same. So the difference here between mapping and manually typing data is by mapping it is going to keep on changing automatically, but once we provide manually typing things, they remain same, they remain constant. Now here the third parameter into my template is website URL. So again I'm going to copy the same format, which is website underscore URL, and I'm going to provide it here, write it here. Let me just correct it. Okay. Website URL, and in the place of value I'm going to provide the website, which is www.demo.com. This is the website which I'm providing into my template. Perfect. Now in this way all the custom parameters of my templates are ready. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request, and then we will check if the message onto this WhatsApp number is sending or not. So here I just clicked on save and send test request, and now as you can see the response is received here, and it means the message is sent on WhatsApp. Now let us check WhatsApp here. Excellent. Here is the message for Alex Roy. Welcome to Bold Fitness Gym. We are happy that you have registered with us, and the complete message. So this means we have created the workflow. Now let us check it on real time, if it is working fine or not. So here what I'm going to do now is I'm again going to fill this form with the different details of a customer, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here I'm providing some details. For example, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. This is our customer, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. All the details are here. Okay, and I'm just going to click on submit now. Once the form is submitted, now we are going to check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here it is. Perfect. This is the message for 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Welcome to Bold Fitness Gym, and the complete message. So it means that our workflow is working smoothly. Once the form is submitted, the message is sending on WhatsApp instantly. Isn't it wonderful? Now here you would have noticed one more thing, that this is how custom parameters are working. The name is going keep on changing along with every new customer, every new member, and the Bold Fitness Gym is remaining constant. So this is how custom parameters work. So it means we have successfully connected two different applications, which are JotForm and WhatsApp, so with the help of Vati, and we have created the integration between these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let us do a short recap what we actually did. In the first step, we integrated JotForm with Pabbly Connect with the help of this Webhook URL and captured all the data. Now in the second step, we connected our Vati account with Pabbly Connect, and then we mapped the same data which is available here. So in this way our workflow was created. Isn't it wonderful? Now here I would like to tell you one more thing, that the link of the same workflow is available into the description of this video. You can just simply copy the same link and start using this workflow for free into your Pabbly Connect account. Isn't it really amazing that you can just use this ready workflow into your account by copying the link from the description of this video? Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.